Well, I don't know what to say, but that's telling me it's fast. It's very fast. What is good, people? Thanks for tuning into the Motor Machines channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be taking the Voodoo Bizango DIY e-bike out for a top speed run. The basic specs of this bike are then a 60 volt battery, 60 amp controller, 3000 watt continuous rear hub that peaks at about 3500 watts. So anyone who's been watching this channel for a while knows I have access to a nice tarmac private drive. It's probably shorter than a mile long, but that's where I'm going to take this bike to open it up and see exactly what it can do. So if any of that sounds of interest to you, then stick around because I'll be back once I'm at the location. Try again. Well, 48 it is then. Wow, it's not bad. Now then that I've had a bit of time to reflect, 48 was the maximum speed. I did 3 test runs and each one had the same result. The battery is a few volts down. I reckon if there was no wind and the battery was full, I could probably hit 50 on this, 50 miles per hour. Overall though, I'm mildly surprised. That is quick enough for a bike like this. I wouldn't want to go any quicker, and I don't see why anyone would. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed this upload, and thanks for watching the Motor Machines channel today.